All right, if you look around your yard or your driveway or your streets, all that snow from a while ago is finally kind of melted, going away.
Yeah.
Looks like we're going to have some more to replace it, right?
Ready to bring it back?
Yeah. So you're talking a couple different rounds of different kinds of precipitation. Yeah.
Right before the newscast, I like how you worded it. You posted on social media. It's a 1, 2, 3 punch.
Yes.
Indiana's in the boxing ring this week all of a sudden. So we've got a lot to talk about. 3 systems on the way. Not every single system is going to impact you in a major way, but different parts of the state are going to get kind of different things. We're looking at the nationwide maps because you can actually see the jet stream right now. Look at all these clouds just hauling right now from Southern California right towards the Ohio River Valley. And there may be small wiggles in the jet stream throughout the week, kind of helping guide which system hits more northern Indiana or which one's central or southern. But the jet stream is over us, and we're going to have multiple rounds of these low pressures. These low pressures love to just form along the jet stream and just chug right along. Before we get to those, just want to cover the weather for tonight and tomorrow. Things are quiet. Things are cold. It's going to be chilly out there tomorrow morning. We'll have a lot of 20s. I think we'll have a couple more sun breaks throughout the day. Today, it was really cloudy, but I think we'll have a little bit more clearing tomorrow, but still some clouds. And then close to sunset, clouds will rebuild ahead of storm system number 1 that we have to be tracking. We've got one on Tuesday, mostly a threat for southern Indiana, but I wouldn't be surprised if a couple flurries tried to kind of flirt with Indianapolis. Then on Wednesday evening and night, I think this may be one of our most impactful ones. Right now, the trend is that instead of being really snowy, we might be really icy across much of central Indiana. Rain to the south, and then the heaviest snow might be northern Indiana. Still working on the track, but I'll show you what we're thinking so far. And then next weekend, we've got a system that's just barreling like a bowling ball from west to east, and that might switch us from rain to some heavy accumulating snow. But let's start with system number 1. This is Tuesday. Throughout the day, we're going to be watching a system farther to the south. This is really Kentucky's storm, but I think the southern parts of our state get clipped. Now in this light blue color, I think we could get some flurries as far north as Bloomington and Indianapolis, but we're not really expecting accumulation here. There will be some accumulation to the south. Now we could get more snow than this. Here's the thing. Throughout Tuesday afternoon, as we do get above freezing across much of the state, we may switch over to some mix and rain in some of these southern zones. So we're watching Bedford and Seymour. You could get a dusting, or maybe you get an inch, inch and a half, and then some of the rain melts it, and then you switch back over to snow and you get a little bit more. It's a little bit tricky, but best chance of accumulation will be farther to the south. I want to show you what we're thinking with Future Track 13 for your Tuesday system. This is 3 o'clock in the morning. Some of the snow starts to move in, and it could be a good burst of snow there in the morning, 7 o'clock, all the way through lunchtime. Later into the afternoon, as we warm up, we may switch over to some rain before switching back to snow. Then on Wednesday, the ice zone, and this is mainly freezing rain, maybe a little sleet, but mainly freezing rain right over the heart of central Indiana. We could get, a 1/10, quarter, maybe an up to 3/10 of an inch of ice as this system comes in. Right now, we think the heaviest snow will be north, but Indianapolis, we're right on the edge of snow or ice. We're continuing to watch this one. We actually have now a weather impact alert day for Wednesday evening because of that icy, snowy mix that could come across the state, and then a flash freeze heading Thursday morning, Jenny, because temperatures are going to dive.